Hi there! Today we will be making a still life drawing. Well, do you know what that means? No? Okay then, let's see what do we have in our book. Well, we see a beautiful drawing right here and it has multiple steps. Let's start by going ahead with the first step. Yes, at first we are going to make an outline of the bag. Do you know what a still life is? Yes, a still life drawing is something wherein you usually keep your daily objects in front of you and start making it in the exact angle you see it. This helps us understand how 3D the structure is, and it also helps us with the perspective. So, let's start by making these boxes at first. Now we are making the book. Let's make the other book which is below it. That's interesting. For now, let's make all the overlapping parts, and then once we are done making the entire drawing, we will erase it. Let's make these compartments for the bag now. And then make its handle. Let's give it a proper layering now. And then make this compartment or space where the zip is there. And now we will start by making this rectangle which has all of these colors. Start by making the rectangle and then make the color pencils. Be very patient while drawing this. Let's make a pencil right here. Let's erase this overlapping part so that we can draw the design inside. Yes, we will make this space which is empty and then continue making the pencil color right here. Make the extra ones which are at the back and then give it a nice sharpened look. Once we are done with that, let's make the zip here and then the bag's logo. Make more compartments. And now let's make a zip right here. That's interesting. We will now make these small zigzag lines for the chain. And now let's make the sharpener. That's amazing. And look, we're almost done with the entire drawing. Let's make these books nicely. Let's make the one which is overlapping the other book at first. This looks interesting. Now let's make the book below that. That's brilliant. And look, we're done with our still life drawing. Let's take our sketch pen and start sketching this. Go very slow while sketching and sketch right on top of the pencil marks. This looks very interesting. Let's sketch the entire thing in a similar way. do not make a mistake while sketching, or else it is going to be difficult for us to erase it. And look at that, the entire thing is done. Let's erase all the pencil marks we see after sketching. That's beautiful. And now comes the fun part. We need to color this. Let's take our green color and start coloring this entire part. That's lovely. We will color these parts in a shading format. Let's blend the dark and the light green together. Yes, for a beautiful shade of green. Well, that's lovely. The next thing we do is take a magenta color and do the other book. Again, we are applying a lot of pressure on the crayon at first. After that, we will release the pressure and color lightly. This has given us such a beautiful shade, isn't it? That's beautiful. Next is, we take blue color and start doing the box. The right hand side part is going to be a little darker and the front part is going to be a little bit lighter. That's amazing. Let's start by coloring these pencils right here with different colors. You're right. Let's color this in a similar way now and complete the entire box. Well, that's brilliant. Next up, we will take brown color for the bag. Yes, we will go ahead by coloring only the space wherein the zip is there. And then let's start by coloring the other part with light brown color. Go very slow while coloring this. And next up is take yellow color and do it right on top of the brown to get a beautiful shade. Yes, you're right. Go ahead by doing the outline for the logo and then continue coloring inside the bag. But before that, let's use the same brown color right here so that we get a little darker shade here. And then do yellow on top of it. Finally, let's do dark yellow in the front part. And then do a beige or a golden color for the handle. Let's start by doing all of these intricate details now. Color this pencil blue and purple. Next up is the eraser. Let's color this with magenta and blue. And then let's use purple color for the sharpener. This looks amazing, isn't it? We will use silver color for the inside part and then give this a finishing touch up with the help of a skin color. And look at that, the drawing is ready.